UGC encourages universities to promote apprenticeship/internship degree programs in order to improve employment prospects. The University Grants Commission (UGC) has issued a notice urging universities and higher education institutes across the country to promote apprenticeship and internship programs. The UGC apprenticeship program aspires to offer a degree program as part of its curriculum. As a result, the Commission has requested that higher education institutions offer apprenticeship/internship embedded degree programs. Internships are likely to be integrated into general degree programs in order to improve employability. The University Grants Commission (UGC) has issued an official announcement. As previously stated, UGC has issued a detailed notice on the subject in order to maintain clarity. As you are aware, in line with the budget announcement of 2020-21 and with the goal of making fresh graduates employment ready with necessary knowledge, competencies, and attitude, the UGC guidelines from higher education institutions to offer apprentice/internship embedded degree program for embedding apprenticeship/internship in general degree programs of the official notice reads. The University Grants Commission stated that such apprenticeship/internship embedded degree programs are already available at a few institutions/universities. It asked those organizations to disclose pertinent data. The data must be shared via a Google form. The form can be accessed directly by clicking here. The paperwork must be filed before the deadline, which is October 10, 2021. The Union Budget 2020-21 highlighted UGC programs such as apprenticeship embedded degree and diploma programs. Its goal is to boost students' employability. The University Grants Commission (UGC) has directed universities to adopt applied mathematics as a main subject for undergraduate programs. The University Grants Commission (UGC) has mandated that all universities select applied mathematics as the primary subject for undergraduate admissions. The subject was introduced by the Central Board of Secondary Education (CBSE) for students in grades 11 and 12. According to the notification issued by the UGC, the subject was introduced by the Central Board of Secondary Education (CBSE) for students in grades 11 and 12. Students can learn more about the new UGC guidelines by visiting the UGC's official website or reading this article.